Alright, so me and Sabrina, we attempted to make some bacon wrapped chicken stuffed with cream cheese. Now check this out. You know, I put cheese on top of it, and I was planning on putting on the inside of the chicken with the cream cheese.
Chicken with cheese.
I forgot. I even cut up the cheese and everything right there, and just completely forgot about it. So we're gonna put it in, and about 30 minutes we're gonna check on it, see how it is. And you'll see. Alright, so we just pulled it out. Check this out. What up, mama? First time we ever made this, I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. So, for those of you that are gonna get to try it, I hope you like it. Say hi, mama.
Hi.
Hi.
I make it.
Yeah, you made that chicken. Right, mama? You say you made that chicken?
Yeah.
Say I made that chicken.
A chicken. What you
Yeah,
eat?
it's hot. Right. See y'all later.